Hi, this is Dave Johnston with DayTrade the Markets. The news from the FOMC has just been released. The market came down here and hit a lower support area. I wanted to just give it a few minutes for that to take place, but you can see here that we have hit. I'm just got to get that in there. Sorry. Going for what was it? Yeah, 76. So should have had that in earlier. Started to make this video. Any rate, so that dip down to the 71 area. It actually got a little bit below that. Hit 70.25, just 3 ticks below there, and has had a nice bounce higher from there. And we have been in an up mode here. Okay, we got filled on that, so I'm obviously need to reduce this down to just 2 contracts, which I will do here, and I will put my break even in right at that 74.50 after that breakout. So let me just move this here a little bit so we can see it a bit better. Okay, so this was a dip back down to the 71 level here, and we've broken higher, and that next level that I had made reference to earlier actually was in the 77.50 area. So I'm going to go ahead and sell one at 77.50. Now it just hit that price, but I'm going to go ahead and put one in there because we know that there is an upper barrier approximately 77.50 to 79. So I suspect it will probe into there, and who knows, it may just power right on through it, but at any rate, if that is a barrier, then let's see if we can take some profits just at that barrier low. So that's kind of the thinking on that right now. So at any rate, so that's really how it's looking here post FOMC. Oftentimes this market will become very volatile after the FOMC news is released. It's relatively volatile here today, although not exceptionally so. It dipped down to around 70, up to 77, so it's that's pretty good, and that's just in a few minutes time. So anyway, so we've got our order in here, and I'm sorry, I've got a buy limit down there. That's supposed to be a sell stop for 2 contracts. Sorry, at the break even. Easy to make those kind of mistakes. So we have a sell limit at 77.50. We just have the 2 contracts left. We started with 4 and we exited half of the position, or 2 of the contracts, at a 1.5 gain. So we'll just see how it goes here. It's obviously fairly volatile. I wouldn't be at all surprised. Usually when we get, now we've just seen this dark patch right in here. We call that a high velocity move. Okay, we just got hit. So a lot of times what the market will do, even if it wants to continue higher, it'll come down and test the low of this first before it turns up. Or if it's, if there's really been some good selling come in, it could actually turn it around if it starts to trade below this low for a period of time. That's a good sign that we've actually got some pretty powerful exhaustion in here. So anyway, we were able to get in there on half the position, take out a 1.5 and a break even on the other half. So just a quick video here. This is which today is Wednesday, April the 30th, 2014. My name is Dave Johnston, and I'm with DayTrade the Markets. If you want to contact us, our email is right over here. And it looks like now we're trying to get, or market is trying to really reject these higher prices. So it did hit up into that upper range of the barrier, 77.50 to 79. It's we'll have to give it some time here. I don't think we can, or at least I'm not really in a position here to say what's going to go on right now. But in other words, I'm not prepared to put on a trade at this moment. So if we can get down to that 71 area, let's see what it does there, because that could it could once again get nicely rejected there and go back up and test the high. So at any rate, no real trade right at the moment. Just a quick trade there right off of the news from the FOMC. I don't always get in so quickly after the FOMC, but today we had a pretty good rejection off the lows. We've been an intraday up auction, and oftentimes when the market dips like that, and leaves some, a single bar right here, and then the high gets taken out where it started from, that can be a very bullish sign, and we were able to get on a long trade because of that. So at any rate, this is just a short video, quick trade after the FOMC. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.